We, Zhongshan Josoo Electric Appliance Company Limited, is a professional manufacturer, over 14 years manufacturing experiences, specialized in the research, development, and production of wine refrigerant product. We are located in Zhongshan City of Guangdong Province, China. Our major concerns are the environment, safety, and creativity. We aim to be a harmonized creative company. In response to the global concerns of environmental protection and safety, we work with our customers to deliver the creative, green refrigerated products to the end users. We aim to fulfill our responsibilities to society, including our company members and consumers' needs, by always thinking from the consumer's point of view. We can supply you with small capacity and commercial large capacity combined wine cabinets, which are rarely produced by other Chinese factory. Our factory adopt products differentiation strategy, emphasizes on making unique and creative, high-quality products instead of mass quantity of production. So this is very good for your consideration of expanding your products line by increasing more bigger capacity of models with better quality in the future. Quality is first priority for us. In order to meet overseas market requirements, our products obtained CE, RoHS, ERP, ETL, DOE, REACH, CCC, ISO 9001, BSCI, etc. Our products are highly praised by our clients all over the world. We feel honored to be awarded with clients' trust and support. Josoo is looking forward to cooperating with you.